So we're here on exercise Anatolian Eagle in Turkey. We've come here from Romania where we've been assigned to NATO operations, and it's a real privilege to be here. With so many nations we don't normally get the privilege to work with, aircraft types we don't normally see in the UK. It's a really valid source of training for that reason.
There can be as many as 30 aircraft in the sky at any one time, and that can be to defend targets, to shoot down other aircraft to get to targets, or to protect an asset, either that airborne or on the ground. This is really, really important for us. We don't get to do this training often at home. We're doing a lot of QRA, various other missions that we do, but this particular mission set out here covers a wide array of flying, and to get four aircraft every day up is absolutely fantastic for our training. And it's not simulator based either, it's live training, so it's really, really good for us.
Actually, we are very glad to see multinational countries here during the exercises, and we are very glad to see Royal Air Force during this exercise. And we have NATO DARS, DACC, NATO AWACS, and Azerbaijani Air Force, Jordanian Air Force, Pakistani Air Force, and we are very happy to see all allied and brother countries to be here in Konya. So it's very nice to see everyone here.
We've just come here from NATO operations, which has been quite challenging to get it from, but it's been wonderful. The host nation has been brilliant, facilities are great. It's been a real privilege to be here.